Hey traders, this is Rich Walden with breathingwiththemarkets.com. How you doing today? It's Monday. It's August 26, 2024. Hope you are all well. I smacked the hell out of the NASDAQ today. Um, got in and got out when the market opened, and it was a hell of a ride. But anyways, stand by and I'll show you a little bit of information. First, a little quick side note. I was wondering if you saw that video that I posted yesterday on the pound yen and bar replay. $1 billion. $1 billion with a B. 100% win rate with 304 trades. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. 304 trades, not one and done, not gambling. We're talking about a skill set, a skill that'll never leave your soul. You must trade objectively in the market. Do not follow gamblers. It's not about a hunch. It's not about intuition. Learn how to trade the chart objectively. You must have a methodical approach to the market to be successful, and repeat it. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. We can see the date down here, 8/26/2024, 1 minute before 6 o'clock, 5:59 in the morning. And we can see the results. 2,149 for today. There's 10 accounts. I didn't copy trade. I'm in one account and I move to the next account and keep hitting it hard. And it is what it is. That's the result. I trade it differently. There's rules and I have to follow the rules that I have to level up to them. They're not supposed to come down to my level. You know, there is over 200,000 traders at Apex. I'm not affiliated with them, but there's over 200,000 traders, well over 200,000 traders from what I understand. And a handful of traders that have a skill, maybe 5,000, somewhere around there, might actually get payouts. It is a skill. It's a strong company. And once again, I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I'm just going to speak the facts. That's all. I don't need to powder coat. It is what it is. If you have a skill, you can go and test your skill in any place that you want. Never allow anyone to knock you down, because those that are trying to knock you down, they don't have a strategy in the first place. They're just gamblers. They have zero common sense. Now let's move on to show you the actual NQ positions. Bear with me. See if we can pull it up here. Okay, here we go. We got the futures contracts positions here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, 10 different accounts. And this information about this trading day. Let's see if I can pull up another thing here. Performance data. Let's see here. I'm assuming that you can see the performance data. It says Apex Chicago area performance data. We got a 60% hit rate today. I think overall one of the accounts I had to scalp my way back, which is not a big issue, but that's why the hit rate was a little lower today. It can be from obviously that 60 all the way up into the 90s. That's the fact, and that's part of the game. That's the information for transparency. I'm going to keep saying this over and over in probably every video about skill first. I see so many people chasing money. I see so many people trying to make it rich quick. There is no easy way. There is no easy way. If you work on a skill, it doesn't matter whether it's trading or whether it's another trade or anything you want to do in life. You can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. If you put your mind to it and not focus on the money, you can do anything that you really want to do. And I'm not telling you that you can be a professional basketball player when you're only 5 foot tall. Maybe, don't let that discourage you. But you understand logically. But when it involves studying, when it involves skills with your hands or it involves using your brain, you can train yourself over and over and over again to be successful at a certain trade in life. Just keep working on yourself and not worry about others. You're going to hit some roadblocks and you're going to hit some little bumps in the roadway and you may crash a few times. That's okay. That's okay. It's part of learning. You must fail in order to succeed. And one thing is people try to live in their comfort zone. You cannot live in a comfort zone. Okay, you have to live outside of your comfort zone so you can grow. Are you living outside of your comfort zone? I don't use stop losses when I trade. Do you think that's comfortable at times? No, it's not at times, but I've learned and trained hard to be able to do that effectively, efficiently, without hesitation. I understand the market. I believe in what I do. I don't have to prove to anyone. Not even myself. If there's something that I need to work on, I admit it. I don't find excuses for it. I go down in my little shell and I continue to work hard. There's two peoples in life. Those that say they're going to do something and those that actually do something and then talk about what they've done. So where do you fit in? Because if you're someone that says, I'm going to be this when I grow up, I'm going to be that when I grow up, I'm going to do this, you may want to change your thinking. Okay? I tell people all the time, don't tell me and don't tell others what you're going to do. Talk about what you've done. Okay? Because you're going to have people challenge you all the time. Just be quiet. Just listen. Take the hits. And when they come in your wheelhouse, you show what you can do. And then they look like a jackass. Don't think you're better than anyone. There's always someone better than you, stronger than you, faster than you, born every day. What is your best? If you want to level up to another trader, follow a trader that has a skill. Don't follow gamblers. Why are you going to follow a gambler? That's too easy. It's too easy to follow a trading gambler, a guru that's gambling on YouTube. And he has positive cash flow coming in. Why would you do that? Why do you want to come down to that level? Pick a trader that's successful. Pick a trader not successful by how much money he's flaunting around, what car he drives, what watch he wears. I wear a simple watch, man. Simple watch. Am I judged by the watch I'm wearing? I don't really care. I know my skill level. I can read the shit out of a market. I can. It's not made up. Did you check out that video that I just posted? $1 billion. 304 trades, 100% hit rate. Have you seen that before? Maybe you have. If you have, put it in the comments where you've seen that before and provide that information. That would be great. I always want to continue to grow. I am a lifetime student. I have not reached my full capabilities yet. I never will. I don't think that way. Just because I have a high skill level in trading doesn't mean I am finished. I'm not finished. I've just begun. I'm just coming out. I've been quiet. I've been silent. I've been watching. I've tested other trader strategies over and over and over again with live money. I wanted to see what they knew. I wanted to see how they approached the market. But you know one thing is when you're at a certain level in life, regardless of what it is, whether you're an engineer, engineers are one of the smartest people around, doctors, all of these people. I don't want to take away from anyone. Everyone has a job to do. It doesn't matter if you work at a restaurant, doesn't matter if you work at a big corporation, Fortune 500 company, who cares? There are talented people out there that are wasting their skill level, wasting their life away by not focusing on a skill. Wherever you work, climb the ladder. Reach out. Ask, how can I do better? Accept criticism, constructive criticism. You know how many people cannot accept constructive criticism? Yeah. There was a DJ that kicked me out of a Discord because I was providing my skill level. That's it. I was showing my skill level, Traders loved it. And this guy kicks me out. What was he, jealous? Why would he hate like that? Why would he do that? Traders don't do that. We can all learn from each other, right? That's the idea. We're not against each other. We're against the market. The market's the beast, not your friend, not your family, not people that you don't know, not the haters, not the naysayers. It's the market. Focus on the market. Lift traders up. Don't try to knock them down. There's a lot of fakers out there. This guy's a gambler. He admits it. What skill level does he have? Can he objectively read the market? I don't know. He hasn't shown that he can. Do you feel good about trying to knock others down? How about taking a bar replay, taking it to $1 billion? I challenge you for that. Challenge yourself. I have nothing to prove to anyone. Why don't you take an account to $1 billion and have a minimum of 304 trades with 100% hit rate? Don't challenge me. I'm not challenging you. I challenge myself every day. I try to be a better person every day. I try to grow my skill every day. I'm not here for fame. I am here to give back to the community. Unfortunately, I don't have all the time in the world to answer all these DMs. That's why I've created a site at breathingwiththemarkets.com. If you want to learn how I approach the markets, go to breathingwiththemarkets.com. You will have a one-on-one with me, or you will have a group session with me. And I will show you how I approach the market on a daily basis. I will show you how to navigate through the market. I can see the market. There are a lot of successful traders out there, and they trade differently all the time, but I can truly see that market. I can trade down in the seconds, the volatility of the market. Doesn't matter if it's news or not. As you go from seconds to minutes to 10 minutes, 15, 30, an hour, weekly, daily, monthly, I think it's real boring for me. Real boring. I've passed a lot of challenges before. To me, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me. What matters is living a good life, being with family, being with your friends and those who you love, and having good health. That's all that matters. Money cannot buy happiness. If you're miserable and you're trading, step away, find a mentor who can show you the way. If you're buying educational courses where they're selling these educational courses that are very basic to learn what a candle looks like, the high, low, and close, and then a color, red or green, I don't believe that's going to help you too much. That's up to you, and that's your choice. Trading is not guaranteed. Everyone is at risk of trading. Everyone is at risk of losing it all. I have pushed the needle to the highest level and got smacked. I got humbled. Does that mean I'm a failure? Doesn't mean I'm a failure. I got humbled. I knew what I was doing. I knew what the risk was. Then I got smacked down. And I got back up. Can you start at zero every day? Can you truly trade the charts? Or are you waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting every day on a daily, on a 4-hour chart for your favorite setup? Can you take hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of trades a day? Do you have thousands and thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of trades under your belt? Think about it. There are successful traders that only make 5 trades in a month, and they make gazillions. That's great. They like that. That is their lifestyle. That's awesome. That truly is. They've reached a level that most will never reach. Me, on the other side, I like to attack the market. I've been attacking the market. My first trade was in 1999. And I attacked the hell out of the market back then. I wasn't going to the bank because I lost my ass. I attacked that market. And I find myself doing the same damn thing today. attacking the market fearlessly, without hesitation. I want you to know that if you have a trading history, a background, that don't throw that information away. Don't get discouraged. You're only as strong as your leader. You're only as strong as your mentor. Just because someone flaunts a couple $1,000,000 doesn't mean that they're worthy of teaching. It doesn't mean that they've done something right and you have done something wrong. Your skill level could be actually better than their skill level. You just don't know that. And the reason being is because you're looking at your bank account, comparing your bank account to theirs. That doesn't mean shit. Doesn't mean shit. And sorry for cussing, but if I don't tell you the facts, how are you going to grow? How are you going to be lifted up when you are basically challenged? Show your money, show the millions you got. I'm retired. I don't need to show anyone anything. I'm retired. This is a hobby for me. I am blessed more than I deserve. Are you blessed? Do you have transparency in your life? Are you being honest with your trading? Are those that you follow, are they being honest with you? Can you ask them important questions that are very important to you? Do they give you an answer that you're satisfied with? If you're not satisfied with their answer, ask another question. And if you're still not satisfied, not by being challenging, listen, use logic, learn. You got this. You and I do not compete against each other. We are all in this together. The only thing that we compete against is the beast market. The market is the one that we're after. I hope you have a great day, traders. I hope this little speech helped you a little bit. Sorry for the cussing a little bit. I try to keep it real. And you know, it's irritating at times. It really is. It's irritating at times. I would like to see a whole lot. I mean, I'd like to see a lot of people succeed at this. I really would. Thank you. Peace, and have a great day.